By 2040, the world you know will be unrecognizable. The offices you see today will be silent. The factories, fully automated. And the jobs we once called secure may not even exist. But here's the real question. Will AI replace us or redefine us? In this video, we'll uncover how artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market, which industries are dying, which will survive, and which will rise from the ashes. Let's step into the future, where humans and machines work side by side. AI isn't coming, it's already here. When you buy something on Amazon, your product recommendation isn't chosen by a human, it's AI. When Tesla cars drive themselves on highways, that's AI making split-second decisions. When you chat with ChatGPT, you're literally talking to a machine that learns language like a human. And this is just the beginning. Experts say by 2040, nearly 45% of current jobs will be automated or replaced by AI-driven systems. But don't panic yet. Not every job will vanish. The question is, which ones will? Let's start with the industries that AI is already eating alive. Visuals, robots in factories, warehouses, delivery drones, cashierless stores. 1. Manufacturing and warehousing. Automation has already wiped out millions of factory jobs. Amazon's fulfillment centers now use over 750,000 robots, handling picking, packing, and moving items faster than humans ever could. Tesla's gigafactories run mostly on robotic arms, monitored by just a few human engineers. By 2040, manual labor in factories will be almost gone. Humans will just supervise machines, not operate them. 2. Transportation and delivery. Self-driving trucks are already being tested by companies like TuSimple and Waymo. By 2035, long-distance truck drivers may be replaced by autonomous convoys that don't need sleep or food. Drones and delivery bots will handle local deliveries. Amazon Prime Air is already doing it. Imagine ordering groceries at night, and a drone drops them at your door before morning. 3. Retail and customer service. Cashiers, sales reps, and even customer support agents are being replaced by AI chatbots. ChatGPT-style assistants are now answering emails, handling refunds, and even suggesting outfits online. McDonald's is testing fully automated drive-thrus. By 2040, retail spaces will be smart scanned by AI, personalized for you. No queues, no human staff, just instant, AI-driven service. 4. Administrative and clerical jobs. Data entry, accounting basics, HR management, all being automated. AI can now process legal contracts, schedule meetings, and even detect fraud patterns faster than human teams. Goldman Sachs predicts that 300 million full-time jobs worldwide could be impacted by AI automation in the next decade. That's not science fiction. That's next decade. Now, here's the good news. Not all jobs will vanish. Some will evolve, and some will become more powerful than ever. 1. AI and tech development. Obviously, the architects of this revolution, engineers, data scientists, prompt designers, will be in massive demand. Someone has to build the intelligence that runs the world. But this also opens up creative tech jobs, AI ethicists, AI auditors, and human-AI interaction designers. Basically, people who teach machines how to understand us. 2. Healthcare and biotechnology. AI will take over diagnosis, but humans will still be needed for empathy and care. Imagine a world where doctors use AI to predict diseases before symptoms appear. Companies like DeepMind and IBM Watson Health are already working on this. By 2040, your doctor might walk in with a holographic AI assistant, analyzing your data in real time. 3. Creative industries. Writers, filmmakers, designers. Yes, AI can generate art, but creativity with emotion still belongs to humans. The next big wave will be AI-assisted creativity. You'll tell AI your vision, and it will help you bring it to life. Humans will become creative directors, not just creators. 4. Education and human development. Teaching, mentoring, counseling. Roles that require emotion, guidance, and understanding can't be fully replaced. But education itself will change. Personalized AI tutors will teach millions, adapting to every student's learning style. Teachers won't just teach. They'll manage AI-based classrooms that learn and evolve. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI. Think of it like the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced muscle power. The AI revolution is replacing mental power. But every revolution creates new opportunities. When ATMs came out, people said bank tellers were finished. but banks hired more people for customer relations and financial services. AI will do the same. It will kill repetitive jobs, but create strategic ones. The key is adaptation, learning to work with AI, not compete with it. So how do you survive in this new world? 1. Learn continuously. AI evolves daily, so your skills should too. 2. Focus on creativity and emotion, things AI can't replicate. 3. Understand technology even if you don't code. 4. Use AI as your partner, not your enemy. The people who learn how to command AI tools will rule the future job market. By 2040, we'll look back at this moment, 2025, and realize we were living through the most important shift in human history. Some jobs will vanish. Some will transform. But one thing will never change: the human spirit to adapt, create, and lead. Because no matter how advanced AI becomes, it still needs one thing we have: purpose. Subscribe for more deep stories on the future, tech, and humanity.